Hello everyone, welcome to how to solve this very nice radical equation cube root of x minus 2 plus square root of 3 minus x equal to 1. Our job is to find all possible values of x. So let's start. First we define the domain of this equation. Since this expression 3 minus x is under square root, so this 3 minus x must be greater than or equal to 0. This implies that x must be less than or equal to 3. Now in the original equation, since we have one expression as cube root and the second as square root, so we define two new variables. We suppose that let u is equal to this expression cube root of x minus 2, and we suppose that v is equal to this expression the square root of 3 minus x. So this original equation will become u plus v equal to 1. Let's call this equation number 1. Now if you take a cube of both sides of this equation, this implies that u cubed equal to x minus 2, and if we take a square of both sides of this equation, this implies that v squared equal to 3 minus x, and we add these two equations, so this will become u cubed plus v squared equal to x minus 2 plus 3 minus x. So this negative x will be cancelled out with this positive x, and we are left with u cubed plus v squared equal to 3 minus 2 will become 1. Let's call this equation number 2. Now we have a system of two equations. So we solve this system and find the values of u. Then we find the values of x. From this second equation, if we make this v the subject of this equation, we move this u to the right hand side. Then this implies that v is equal to 1 minus u, and in this second equation we replace this v with this value 1 minus u. So this second equation will become u cubed plus 1 minus u whole squared equal to 1. By using this algebraic identity, a minus b whole squared is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. This expression at the left hand side will become, first we write this u cubed plus by using this identity, this 1 minus u whole squared will become 1 squared is 1 minus 2 times u plus u squared equal to 1. Move this 1 to the left hand side, then this will become u cubed plus 1 minus 2 times u plus u squared minus 1 equal to 0. Now this negative 1 will be cancelled out with this positive 1, and we rearrange these terms, then this will become u cubed. We write this u squared first plus u squared, and this negative 2 times u, negative 2 times u equal to 0. And you can see that from the left hand side we can factor out u. So u as common factor, in bracket left u squared plus u minus 2 equal to 0. And from here either this expression u equal to 0 or this expression u squared plus u minus 2 equal to 0. From this quadratic equation is factorable, so we solve it by factorization. We write this u squared and we break this plus u into two terms, plus 2 times u minus 1 time u minus this 2 equal to 0. From these two terms we can factor out u. In bracket left u plus 2, and from these two terms we can factor out negative 1. In bracket left u plus 2 equal to 0. Now as you can see, this expression u plus 2 is a common factor, so we factor out this u plus 2, and in bracket left this expression u and this negative 1, in bracket left u minus 1 equal to 0. From here either this expression u plus 2 equal to 0 or this expression u minus 1 equal to 0. From this equation we get the value of u equal to negative 2, and from this equation we get the value of u equal to 1. And first we found this value of u 0, u is equal to 0. So we have three values of u. To find the values of x, we recall that u cubed equal to x minus 2. Recall that u cubed equal to x minus 2. If we move this negative 2 to the left hand side, this implies that x is equal to u cubed plus 2. So when u is 0, then this will become x is equal to 0 cubed plus 2, and x will be equal to 0 cubed is 0, 0 plus 2 will become 2. Now when u is negative 2, then this will become x is equal to negative 2 cubed plus 2, and x will be equal to negative 2 cubed is negative 8 plus 2, and x will be equal to negative 8 plus 2 will become negative 6. And when u is equal to 1, then this will become x is equal to 1 cubed plus 2, and x will be equal to 1 cubed is 1 plus 2, and x is equal to 1 plus 2 is 3. So we have three solutions for this equation. The first one is 2, second one is negative 6, and the third one is 3. Now we check the validity of these three solutions by using the domain of this equation. So the domain of the equation is x must be less than or equal to 3. The domain of the equation is x must be less than or equal to 3. This first value of x2 is less than 3, so this is a valid solution. This negative 6 is also less than 3. this is also a valid solution. And this third value of x 3 is equal to 3, so this is also a valid solution. So for the given equation we have three solutions: 2, -6 and 3.